Hey guys, welcome to LA Love Creative, and today we're talking about my top Black Friday deals as well as some cool tech that I've picked up recently. If you haven't, make sure you hit the bell so you can stay notified when we post new videos. Cue the intro. Now, I know it's been a while since I posted a video. I recently came back from Mexico City. I had a little mini vacation. It was really cool. Me and my fiance went out there, took a lot of really cool videos, did a lot of really cool photography out there. It was just a good way to get a break. But now I'm back and I decided to do a video breaking down just like some really cool tech stuff that I've recently got, as well as some Black Friday deals that I think people really should consider this holiday season. By the way, all the links to anything I talk about in this video will be in the description below, and you can check them out and maybe help out the channel by clicking a couple affiliate links. I recently made the switch from Mac to PC. I'm done with Mac for editing. I still use Mac for a lot of different things. I still have my 5K iMac. However, I have recently changed to PC. I was just really fed up with Mac in terms of updating, graphics cards, CPU, GPU, CPU. I really didn't like the fact that with Mac, you are kind of just stuck with whatever you buy at that time. I want a computer that I can build and grow with, and I feel like PC is the right direction for me and my workflow. So the computer that I ended up getting is the NZXT Mini PC. Now, I know a lot of you are probably thinking, why didn't you build a PC? Well, it's because all y'all are going so ham right now with PC parts. I couldn't get any of the parts that I wanted for relatively cheap. So I ended up actually just buying a mini PC from NZXT, which I really love. As a Mac owner, I think it's really important for me to have that right aesthetic. And for me, as much as I'd like the performance of a huge PC tower, I can't go from an iMac to a huge PC tower aesthetically. It just bothered me. So I think an ITX case is a perfect move for me as a creator. If you, for some reason, don't like the specs of my NZXT Mini PC, it's really easy to upgrade. And even the case itself is really streamlined if you decide to just use the case and build your own computer. I think the NZXT H1 case is just the perfect blend of style and also performance. I plan on actually upgrading to maybe an AMD, some type of Ryzen, like 10 core or something like that, 12 core or whatever. As far as my GPU, I'll probably upgrade to a 2080 one day. But at the moment, I'm very pleased with my computer build. Another great gift idea would be the Rode Pod mic that I am talking through right now. Now, as far as the Rode Pod mic, when it comes to audio quality, I think it compares really well with the Shure SM7B, which is kind of like the industry podcaster mic. And I think it's a really good value proposition. This mic right here has amazing audio quality. I think it's very stylish. I love that it's so compact. And I think it's just like built like a tank, which I really appreciate. I'd have to say, if I have to say one thing about this mic, is the fact that it needs so much gain. You can probably hear the hiss in this video. I am still waiting for my cloud lifter, which will really help with the gain on that one. However, that's about $150 that you're gonna add to the price of this mic. Just know that you're gonna probably need something to deal with the fact that this mic takes so much gain. So just know that, but aside from that, this mic right here, I think, is one of the best gifts for a creator, for any type of filmmaker or anybody who wants to do YouTube videos or podcasts. This is a great mic, and I think you guys should consider it. When it comes to Black Friday deals, I recently made a big decision in my career, which is I sold all of my Sony lenses. I know the FX6 just came out, and you're probably thinking, damn, you should have saved those lenses and bought that camera. But I am really excited about my Canon T70 that should be here one day, who knows, in 2030 maybe. And I switched all of my Sony lenses to Canon, basically because I feel that Canon EF lenses are a better kit for me if I want to use a Sony camera, if I want to use a Canon camera, RF mount, whatever. I pretty much have a kit now that I can move. I can shoot on the Red Komodo, I can shoot on different cameras, and I felt like having Sony lenses only limited me to Sony cameras. So now that I have a few Sigma lenses, I am really trying to add to my collection and add to my kit. And this is where I found some really good Black Friday deals on Amazon. The Sigma 35mm is going for way cheaper than when I bought it on Amazon, which of course, that's how it always works, and I just got the lens. As well as the Sigma 50, which I also have that lens as well, and that's going for about $150 cheaper than when I actually bought it. So if you're in need to get some really good lenses right now, I would try to get some deals from Sigma. They have a lot of good discounts for Black Friday, and I think you'll be able to find some really good lenses for pretty much any amount that you need. So if you're thinking about getting gifts for a videographer or photographer this holiday, I would say go with Sigma glass. It's more versatile. You'll be able to use it on more camera bodies, and just the optical quality alone is just amazing. Sigma has really sharp lenses with great color. And another great Black Friday deal, if you are in the Canon ecosystem, is like I am now, would be the deals on the Canon EOS R and as well as the Canon EOS RP. Now, both of these cameras are amazing mirrorless cameras. Full frame, about $200 and $100 off depending on which camera you get. And I think they're all around great cameras for beginners as well as professionals. I think the Canon EOS RP gets a bad rap because as far as video specs, it's not the best. However, as a photography camera, it is very good, and I would totally suggest that to a lot of beginners. For the money, now that it's about $200 off, I think it's more of a competitive price for that camera. Now, that's all I have to say about really cool tech that I've recently purchased, as well as some Black Friday deals for this holiday. If you have any questions about videography or photography, hit me up in the comments below, and I will see you next time. See you later.